vlog. Okay, so today is pretty much my first vlog, like a kind of a daily vlog. What we're gonna do is I'm going to the gym, I'm cleaning my room, and I'm gonna do some kind of adventure. I don't know yet, but we're gonna do something fun. Let's clean the room. Okay, so before we go to the gym, let's go and find my sister. Oh, see?
Yeah.
She's currently kicking me out of the room. Say hi to everybody then.
No, I'm not saying that.
Okay,
We're gonna invite them in.
We're heading to the gym right now, and it's kind of cloudy outside. It takes me about 15 minutes from my house to get there. That is rain over there. Yeah, it's pouring. Just finished up with the gym, got a pretty good workout in. You can see it in the background actually. I was gonna bring the camera in and vlog, decided not to because I'm kind of in the middle of Southern Illinois. They have no idea what vlogging is. Just no idea. So, alright, just made it home and let's get some food. It is currently 6:30. We're going biking. Boom. And I'm late. Let's go. This man right here. This nigga. What's up, brother? Wake up, son. Wake up, son! Anyway, we're gonna ride at 6:30.
I wasn't up at 6:30. I woke up at 5:30. I was like,
JD was asleep.
Not going.
These boys are leaving me. And I'm going to work. Both of your shoes are untied.
I know. You're gonna rip your shoestring off again?
Good morning. Oh yeah. Longboarding. We didn't bike today because JD was sleeping and I have work way too early. So we kind of ruined our chances of doing anything, but I am longboarding. Vlog's over. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing some cool stuff, and also Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, like that video.